In descriptive analysis, this is conducted to understand and describe the given dataset better. And the purpose of this analysis is to quantitatively and statistically summarize the information that data contains. For example, if you're conducting a descriptive analysis on users' purchase history data, you will be able to answer such questions like, what is the best-selling items? What are the monthly sales like in the past years? What is the average price of the items that are sold? So, that's are the probably question when you are conducting descriptive analysis.
When the purpose of descriptive analysis is to answer the what and how from the data, explanatory analysis is to answer why using the data. This type of analysis is typically conducted when you have specific questions that you want to answer. As an example, for e-commerce businesses, if you want to analyze what drives your user to make purchases, you would conduct explanatory analysis, not descriptive analysis. Explanatory analysis help explain circumstances like why customers aren't buying product or a campaign is so successful and how to act on those insights. Should keep using the same campaign only because it's popular on social media, or analyze engagements and sales connected to a specific demographic to optimize future performance.
Predictive analysis. This analysis is conducted when there is a specific future event that you would like to predict. Ang purpose ng analysis na ito ay mag-build ng machine learning models na matututunan sa historical data ng mga customers. At dito mo mapipredict kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw, linggo, o buwan, o sino ang customer na babalik agad. For example, nakagawa ka na ng machine learning model at nailagay mo na yung per case data history ng customer mo. Isa sa mga pwede mong i-predict dito kung sinong customer ba ang babalik within a week o within a month. It is similar to forecasting. Typically, in order to conduct predictive analysis, you will have first run descriptive and explanatory analysis to have a better understanding of the data and generate ideas on what types of learning algorithms and approaches to use for the given project. In conducting predictive analysis, we need to use machine learning or machine learning algorithms such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning algorithm.
The first way of doing a predictive analysis is the use of supervised learning algorithms. These algorithms are used when the prediction target or outcome is known. Halimbawa, sa isang store, kung gagamit tayo ng machine learning to predict who will make a purchase in the next few days, gagamit tayo ng supervised learning algorithms. Sa supervised learning algorithms, ang magiging prediction target or outcome is whether this particular person will make purchase within the given time window or not. Bakit ito tinawag na supervised? We will build features based sa kanyang historical purchase data, which describe each data point. Those data points can be described as the person's age, address, and last purchase date. The machine learning then will be able to map these features to prediction target or outcome.
The second one is unsupervised learning algorithms. Dito, you only have input and walang corresponding output variables. Nagagamit natin ito when we do not have a specific prediction target or outcome. And this type of machine learning algorithm is frequently used in clustering or recommendation system. So from the word clustering, ito yung pinaka-importanting concept when it comes to unsupervised learning algorithms. So bakit nga ba? Because it mainly deals with finding a pattern or structure in a collection of uncategorized data. And ang goal dito is hanapin yung nature groups or segments in a feature space and ma-interpret the input data. So you can use this unsupervised learning algorithm to cluster your customer base into their different subgroups or segments, and pwede ding based on their attitudes, behaviors, or yung mga paniniwala nila. So in this case, we do not have a specific target or outcome na gusto nating ma-predict. So we are just grouping similar customers together into different segments. So one example on this is between the baby and her family dog. Yung baby dito, alam niya na at na-identify niya na yung dog kahit bata pa lang siya. So, after a few weeks later, yung friend ng family niya is nagdala ng dog and nag-try ipalaro sa kanya. So, hindi niya pa talaga ito nakikita, pero na-identify or na-recognize niya na agad ito because of the features of the dog. So, yung features ng dog, may 2 ears, may eyes, and walking on 4 legs, na katulad din sa alaga niyang aso. So, dito natin makikita yung baby is na-recognize niya ang bagong animal as a dog. So, itong example na to is masasabi nating unsupervised learning algorithm.
Reinforcement learning algorithms. These algorithms are used when we want the model continuously learn and train itself without prior knowledge or experience. In the case of reinforcement learning, the model learn how to make prediction and after a lot of trials and error. So, yung trial and errors, ito yung other term na pwede nating itawag sa algorithms. Usually, ginagamit ito kapag wala ka pang masyadong kaalaman or experience sa isang bagay. Same as doing sa business. Kapag bago ka pa lang sa ganitong field, you have to make trials and error. Kung anong market strategy ba ang pwede mong gamitin or pinaka-effective dun sa business na meron ka. And you have to make a plan or list kung ano bang marketing strategy ang itatry mo or susubukan mo to make the business work. And then, after so many error dun sa mga list na marketing strategy mo na gusto mo itry or alam mo na din na pwedeng problema or mistake na pwede mong kaharapin, you have to decide which is one the best or ano ba ang pinaka-effective na strategy that will help you to grow your business. And now, we will proceed to Google Colab.
Welcome to Google Colab. Here you can put your business data to analyze your sales info. You can open a file if you already created one. Just click the Open Notebook to open your file, and if you want to create new file or program to analyze your data, you will click the New Notebook button. Here are the workspace of Google Colab. If you want to put text, just click the text button. If you want to enter a code, just click the code. Sa text, dito ilalagay ang title. Pwede rin ilagay ang objectives and steps na ginagawa mong file o program. Dapat ang gagawin namin ay i-demonstrate kung paano gamitin ang Google Colab at paano mag-coding. But it's beyond the power capability. It's a programmer work, kaya hindi namin siya kayang i-demonstrate. Papakita na lang namin yung example na binigay nung nag-conduct ng webinar sa amin. Open notebook. Tapos hanapin yung file na sinend niya. Ito yung example na binigay nung nag-conduct ng webinar sa amin. In this example, the speaker discussed about stochastic. It is used for estimating probability distribution of potential outcomes in which it allows random variation in one or more inputs over time. There are also methods used in data science like probability models, machine learning, signal processing, data mining, statistical learning, database, data engineering, visualization, pattern recognition, and learning, uncertainty modeling, computer programming, among others. He shows us the example of computer programming in which you can also see the data you needed and there are choices you needed in picking up the best data. Because of the advanced data, there are so many aspects of data science that gain immense importance, especially big data which is not restricted. We need to have a deeper understanding of the data science workflow, which will allow your team to communicate with the data scientists effectively. Input yung speaker ng mga participants na magsasagot ng yes or no, at dahil sa program na ginawa niya sa Google Colab ay automatic na na-count kahit malaking data ang nilagay niya. Ayan. Magkaibang program ang ginamit niya, pero makikita sa outcome na mas marami talaga yung no. Dito po nagtatapos ang aming report sa webinar 1 entitled Exploring Data Science Applying for Marketing. Thank you.